Hi guys, my name is Yash Shah. I'm the founder and CEO of The Address. More than happy to talk about the design process and how Flipspaces have made it better for us multiple times for multiple projects. Whenever people come in, whenever you're catering to a mass audience, whenever you're catering to more than 1,000 people at a time, you have to make sure that it is not something that you like, but what people would like to see from time to time. This is exactly the place where sometimes people spend more time than their homes. So with that in mind, the design context was pretty simple. Is that wherever we go, we're going to follow a theme where people are going to come, people are going to like seeing time again. When you cater that to the mass, you have to make sure that this is not going to be something that they get saturated with. They get saturated with in not just a week or just a month, but over a longer span of time. And this has been something which has been a massive win for us. We get quite a lot of praises for the kind of design that we have gotten. The Address has won multiple awards for the same, and as far as the vision of the company goes, I think the execution plays a very important role, and that's where Flipspaces has been extremely important in carrying forward multiple projects, giving us layouts, giving us design themes, giving us customized themes for multiple companies from time to time. And the rest, as they say, is history, because coming together and doing 1.5 lakh square feet is absolutely not a joke. There are times when the internal teams have multiple queries, have multiple disagreements, so on and so forth. And it's actually showing the people how their office is going to look like, giving them an entire walkthrough, making sure that each of the queries, from the smallest things such as the material which is going to be used in their office, has to look and feel of their entire office, as well as the maintenance management and so on and so forth. I want to point out something from installation to design. The time frame, which plays a significant role for multiple companies again, including me, is something that we have been able to achieve time and time again. Handing out some projects in 25 days, handing out some projects in 45 days, and handing out some projects in 2 months when the quantum has been over 20,000 square feet has been a significant win for me, and that credit goes to Flipspaces in a lot of way, because they have been pushing people time and time again to actually get the work done. There have been multiple challenges, and just coming by it and facing all of this has been a great win. Thank you so much.